Dear viewers, today we are discussing the complex second of electron transport chain. Succinate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidation of succinate to fumarate in the citric acid cycle. The succinate dehydrogenase contains bound FAD that is reduced to FADH2 in the reaction. The reoxidation of the FADH2 occurs via succinate Q reductase, which is complex second of electron transport chain. Succinate dehydrogenase is a part of this complex, but it also contains FES clusters. During reoxidation of FADH2, two electrons pass from FADH2 to FES clusters and are then passed on to ubiquinone. They then enter the main electron transport chain and cause H plus ions to be pumped out of the mitochondria for oxidation of NADH, FADH2 of other flavoproteins such as glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase in glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle and fatty acyl CoA dehydrogenase in the fatty acid oxidation also feed their electrons into the electron transport chain at ubiquinone. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.